Okay, so we've got a pattern of tiles here on the kitchen wall, alright, and it does say here that each tile is exactly the same size. Okay, so we've got your width of 12 centimeters. They don't tell us what the length of the tile is. Okay, that's not given to us. You can see here we've got 5 tiles going across here, and then we've got 4 tiles going across, so essentially they've been rotated round. Okay, so we should be able to see here that this is 12 centimeters. Okay, right, so that's the width of the tile. As I said, we don't know the length of the tile. It says then find the total area of these tiles on the kitchen wall. Well, if we know the width of the tile is 12, okay, what we can do is appreciate then that we've got 5 tiles here, yeah? So we could actually get the total width of the wall, okay, for these tiles here. Because if you think about it, each tile has a width of 12 centimeters, okay? So we could get the total then of these 5 tiles. So 12 and 12 and 12 and 12 and 12. It's a calculator question, so you could use a calculator, or 5 times 12. The overall length is 60 centimeters, isn't it? 5 lots of 12. Okay. So we know the length of the wall. And that's important, isn't it, when it comes to working out the total area. We need to know the length. But we also need to know this height as well. Okay. And to get the height, I'm going to need to know what the length of a tile is. So what I can do though is, because I know that the length is 60, I can appreciate then that you've got 4 tiles on this side. Okay, so I can work out what the length of one tile is, because we know that the 4 of them, the 4 lengths, have got a total 60. Yes, we could say, look, 4 lengths, okay, must equal 60 centimeters in length. Okay, because as you can see, the whole length of the wall there is 60 centimeters. We've got 5 of these widths. So we've got 4 tiles, so the 4 lengths must equal 60. So if 4 lengths equal 60, we can easily work out what 1 length is equal to. By appreciating, well, 4 lengths make 60, so to get 1 length, we just share 60 by 4. Okay, so share 60 by 4, 15 centimeters. So the length of one tile is 15 centimeters. And you'll see that there, 15, 15, 15, 15 adds up to 60. We can then determine what the overall height of the kitchen wall is. So we've got 15 here, 15 and 12. So that overall, if you add them together, will make 42 centimeters. Okay, and it's all good with these questions. It's all good to actually use a diagram. Diagram is part of the working process. Okay, so I'm actually using less the lines, and you should put your workings down. But in this question, it's quite appropriate in terms of how I've shown my workings here. So I now know that the height of the wall is 42. Okay, so those 3 added together, yeah, 15 add 12 add 15 is 42 centimeters. The length of the wall is equal to 60 centimeters. So then the total area will equal length times width, which will be 60 times 42. So use your calculator then. We get an answer of 2520 centimeters squared.